Sick of crowded gyms and expensive memberships? Tired of driving back and forth just to squeeze in a workout? What if I told you you could ditch the gym altogether and get excellent results from the comfort of your own home? This video reveals the ultimate home gym setup, the only 5 pieces you really need. Forget fancy machines and overflowing weight rooms. With these essentials, you'll sculpt your dream physique without leaving your front door. So, are you ready to transform your living space into a results-driven fitness haven? Let's dive in. Number 5. Barbell and weights. The barbell and weights are the undisputed workhorses of any home gym. This versatile equipment allows you to perform compound exercises, targeting major muscle groups and building strength and muscle mass. Compound exercises, like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows, engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to greater muscle activation and faster progress. The barbell allows you to load these exercises progressively, challenging yourself and maximizing your gains. Versatility. The barbell offers various exercise possibilities, from fundamental movements like squats and deadlifts to more advanced exercises like overhead presses and Olympic lifts. This versatility allows you to create diverse and challenging workouts without much equipment. Cost-effective. Compared to machines, the barbell and weights offer a more cost-effective way to build a home gym. You can gradually add weight plates as you get stronger, making it a long-term investment in your fitness journey. Investing in a good quality barbell and weight plates is a crucial first step in building a functional and effective home gym. With proper guidance and programming, you can unlock your full potential and achieve your fitness goals in the comfort of your own home. Number 4. Dumbbells. Dumbbells are a true fitness powerhouse, offering various exercise possibilities for upper and lower body training. Unlike barbells, dumbbells allow you to work each arm or leg independently. This is crucial for targeting specific muscle imbalances, correcting posture, and preventing injury. Dumbbells provide a wider range of motion than barbells, allowing for deeper muscle engagement and more practical exercises. This is especially beneficial for isolation exercises like bicep curls and triceps extensions. Many everyday activities involve unilateral movements, and dumbbells help mimic those patterns. Exercises like lunges, rows, and shoulder press with dumbbells translate directly to improved functional strength and coordination. Dumbbells occupy less space than other equipment, making them ideal for smaller home gyms. Additionally, they can be used for various exercises, from compound movements like squats and deadlifts to isolation exercises for specific muscle groups. Dumbbells offer a cost-effective way to build a complete home gym compared to other gym equipment. You can start with a lighter set and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger, making them a sustainable investment for your fitness journey. Number 3. Adjustable bench. An adjustable bench is a game changer for any home gym setup. It goes beyond the limitations of a flat bench, unlocking a vast array of exercises and maximizing your upper body workout potential. Versatility. The beauty of an adjustable bench lies in its versatility. You can perform various exercises with adjustable back and seat positions, from classic chest and shoulder presses to inclined dumbbell rows, declined dumbbell flyers, and even ab exercises like crunches and sit-ups. Targeted muscle groups. By adjusting the incline and decline angles, you can target different muscle groups in your chest, shoulders, and core. This allows you to focus on specific areas and build a well-rounded upper body physique. Certain exercises, like incline dumbbell presses, require specific angles for optimal range of motion. An adjustable bench ensures proper form and maximizes muscle engagement for better results. Space saving. Compared to multiple fixed-angle benches, an adjustable bench saves valuable space in your home gym. It can be easily adjusted and stored when not in use, making it a practical and efficient addition to your fitness setup. Cost-effective. Investing in a single adjustable bench provides the functionality of multiple fixed-angle benches, making it a cost-effective solution for your home gym. You can achieve a complete upper body workout without purchasing additional equipment. Number 2. Pull-up bar. A pull-up bar is a simple yet powerful addition to any home gym. It allows you to perform various exercises that target multiple muscle groups, making it a versatile and effective tool for building upper body strength and improving overall fitness. Compound exercise. Powerhouse. Pull-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This includes your back muscles, lats, biceps, shoulders, forearms, and core. Performing pull-ups regularly strengthens and builds muscle mass in all these areas, leading to a more well-rounded physique and improved overall strength. Functional strength and grip. Pull-ups mimic pulling movements we use in everyday life, such as pulling open doors or lifting objects. This translates to improved functional strength and better coordination for daily activities. Additionally, gripping the bar and pulling yourself up strengthens your forearms and grip strength, which is beneficial for various tasks and sports. Hanging from a pull-up bar engages your core muscles to maintain stability and control. This strengthens your core and improves posture, leading to better alignment and reduced risk of back pain. Pull-up bars offer a variety of exercises beyond just pull-ups. You can perform chin-ups, hanging leg raises, and even inverted rows, providing a complete upper body workout. Additionally, you can progress from assisted to full pull-ups as you get stronger, making it a scalable exercise for all fitness levels. Number 1. Resistance bands. Resistance bands are often overlooked in home gym setups but offer surprising versatility and challenge. These simple tools can be used for strength training, mobility exercises, and cardio, making them a valuable addition to any home gym. Here's why resistance bands deserve a spot in your workout routine. Resistance bands offer various exercise possibilities, targeting multiple muscle groups and fitness goals. You can use them for compound movements like squats and rows, isolation exercises like bicep curls and triceps extensions, and even dynamic exercises for agility and coordination. Progressive overload. Resistance bands provide a unique way to overload your muscles progressively. Unlike weights, where you simply increase the weight, resistance bands offer varying resistance levels depending on how you stretch them. This allows you to challenge your muscles and keep them adapting gradually. Portable and convenient. Resistance bands are incredibly portable and lightweight, making them ideal for travel or home workouts. You can easily pack them in your gym bag or store them in a drawer, taking your workout anywhere. Resistance bands offer low-impact exercise, making them suitable for individuals with joint issues or those recovering from injuries. They provide effective resistance without putting excessive stress on your joints. Functional movements. Many resistance band exercises mimic real-world movements, improving functional strength and coordination. Exercises like banded squats and rows translate directly to better performance in everyday activities and sports. There you have it, the only 5 pieces you need for a functional and effective home gym. Remember, quality over quantity is critical, and these versatile tools can help you achieve your fitness goals without expensive equipment. For more home gym setup ideas and workout inspiration, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.